First, download Telegram from the link in the description. Ready? Let's open the app. Next, tap on Start Messaging and wait a moment for the QR code to appear. Once the QR code shows up, leave this screen open and switch to the Telegram app on your phone.
On your phone, head over to Settings, then look for the Devices option.
You'll see your active devices here, but don't worry about them. Hit the green Link Device button and scan the QR code on your PC. Once the scanner reads the QR code, Telegram instantly opens on your computer. Now, without wasting any time, head straight to the search bar. Now, up in that search bar, I want you to type exactly these words, Jew PC. In case you're wondering, yes, that literally just means PC games in French. Type it in exactly like that. See this group? This is the one we want. Don't pay attention to any of the other search results. At the bottom of this group, you'll find the exact file we've been looking for. My job here is done. The rest is up to you. Just download it, install it on your PC, and now let's go test this program out.